This is how to play We Bless Your Name Almighty God by Joyous Celebration. The original key of the song is the key of A sharp, which is this key right here. And in this video, we'll be breaking it down on the key of A sharp and also on the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys just a little bit on the key of A sharp so that you can remember it. And then we're going to start breaking it down after, starting on the key of C sharp. Okay? So on the key of A sharp, it says, We bless your name, Almighty Lord. We bow before your throne. We glorify your holy name. Okay, let's break it down on the key of C sharp. It's a very simple song. It has a simple chord progression. So on the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Okay, there's our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major, first inversion. From 1, it goes to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, this is G sharp major, second inversion. From 5, it goes to 1, root chord, which is this chord. From 1, it goes to 2, second inversion. This is D sharp minor, second inversion. From 2, it goes to C sharp major, second inversion. From here, it goes to 5, root chord. From 5, it goes back to our first chord, which is C sharp major, first inversion. I'm going to repeat it again for the last time. I said it's 1. From 1, it goes to 5. From 5, it goes to 1, 2, 1, 5, and then 1. This is where it says, We bless your name, 1, Almighty God. We bow before your throne. Alright? So just on that part, we're going to introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, on the left, you go to 1. When you go to 5, on the left also, change and you go to 5. Okay? When you go to 1, on the left you go to 3. When you hit number 2 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you go to 1, second inversion, on the left you go to 5. You stay on number 5 until you play 5 on the right. And then when you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you also go to 1. So on the left it's, We bless your name, 1, Almighty, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. Okay? So let's go to, We glorify. So our second part starts right on this chord, our number 1. It starts right here. From 1, it goes to 4. From 4, it goes back to 1. And then 2, 1, 5. And then you go back to 1, 2, 1, 5. And then 1. Again. 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1. Let's sing it. We glorify your holy name. 1. Okay, let's introduce the bass. When you go to 1, on the right, on the left, you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again for the last time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go to 3, 2, then 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. We glorify your holy name. Okay, so let's combine our first part and our second part. We bless your name, Almighty God. We bow before your throne. We glorify your holy name. Yahweh Lama Yahweh. Okay, so let's break it down on the key of A sharp. Okay, on the key of A sharp, it starts right on this chord. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of A sharp, also known as A sharp major, first inversion. Okay, first inversion. From 1, it goes to 5, second inversion. Remember, from 1, it goes to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, from 5, it goes to number 1, root chord, which is this chord. From here, from 1, it goes to 2, which is this chord, our number 2, second inversion. From 2, it goes to 1, second inversion. From 1, it goes to 5, root chord. From 5, it goes back to 1. This is where it says, we bless your name, 1, Almighty God, 5, and then we bow before your throne. Okay, so just on that part, we're going to introduce the bass. When you hit your first chord on the right, on the left you also go to 1. From 1 you go to 5, and then it's 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. Again, we bless your name, 1, Almighty God, 5, and then on the left it's 3, 4, 5. You stay on number 5 until you play 5, and then you change, you go to 1. That's our first part. And then it goes to we glorify. It starts right on number 1, root chord. We glorify. From 1, remember it goes to 4. Okay, here's our number 4, second inversion. From 4, it goes back to 1. From 1 to 2. From 2, second inversion, to 1, second inversion. From 1 to 5, back to 1. From 1 2, from 2 to 1, second inversion. From 1 to 5, and then 1, first inversion. This is where it says, we glorify your holy name. Yahweh Lama Yahweh. Okay? Let's break down our bass. When you go to 2 to 1 on the right, on the left you're gonna play 1, 2, 3, and then 4. From there, you go down 3, 2, 1, 5. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, 5. Right? And then you go to 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. Alright? So let's combine our first part and our second part. We bless your name, Almighty God. We bow before